If you liked what you just watched, grab these ingredients. Let's make this potent hair growth oil. First off, grab a jar. Make sure that all apparatus to be used are well sterilized. And my first ingredient is extra virgin olive oil. So I'm going to be using that in 1 cup. That's about 250 ml worth of olive oil. If you don't have olive oil, feel free to use coconut oil, sweet almond oil, grapeseed oil, palm kernel oil. There are a lot of carrier oils out there that you can choose from. And our major ingredient is lemongrass. This is my lemongrass that I got from my flower pot. You can plant all these around you. Lemongrass is very good for hair growth. It helps a lot with your itchy scalp. It helps thicken your hair. It grows your hair really thick and bushy. You can start trying lemongrass if you haven't tried it before. Lemongrass oil supports hair growth and can also eliminate itchiness and provide relief from scalp irritation. Grass is an excellent herb for your scalp. If your follicles are dormant, this will rejuvenate your follicles and your hair will start growing. For those of you that are stuck at same hair length, you can start considering lemongrass for your hair. So I grinded the lemongrass. That is what you're seeing. I just cut them, put them in my mortar, use my pestle to pound it. Please do not blend this except you're going to use oil to blend it. You can just cut them in pieces, pour them in your blender, pour your oil and then blend it. Then you have to fry it, but be sure not to kill the ingredients. But this is the safest way to make this if you want it to be more effective. Use DIY double boiler method, whereby you pour some water in your pot, bring it to a boil, place your jar containing your paste, which is your lemongrass paste, and oil in it. Allow it to boil for like 15 to 20 minutes. Make sure you stand by this. Do not go anywhere. As you allow it on heat in the water bath, make sure to stir continuously until you reach the 20 minutes mark or 15 minutes mark, as the case may be. So allow this to stay there until it's cooled completely. Proceed to strain it, or you can decant it, whichever you like, but I prefer to strain. So when you strain, grab your applicator bottle, transfer this to it. Make sure not to strain both the water if there is any water in it. How to make this is just to wash your lemongrass. Make sure you wash it thoroughly, allow it to dry. Once it's dried, you can cut them and then pound it, and then you proceed. Do not just wash it and pour it in oil with water, else you're going to mess with the oil. But if you feel that the oil might go bad really fast, you can add tocopherol, vitamin E. Tocopherol is a preservative for oils. So you can go to formulating store vendors, those vendors that sell raw materials for formulating products. Ask them for vitamin E oil. They will give you. You use that to preserve your oil. You use 1% of your total products. Let's just say you're using 500 ml worth of oil for your product. You use 1% of the preservative. So make sure not to pour. Just don't allow moisture in the oil. It can last as much as you want it to last. Let's just say it can last for a period of 6 months if you prepare this oil correctly. Do not allow moisture to enter the oil. That is if you're not putting preservative in it. If there is moisture, the oil will go bad fast. Use this oil on your scalp daily to massage. One secret to thick, fuller hair is consistent massage of your scalp with potent hair growth oil. Just like this oil, if you apply it on your scalp daily, massage your scalp daily, you will definitely see your hair thickening up. You don't need anybody to do magic for you. This is just the magic in itself. So try out this product. If you're having scalp inflammation, if you have scalp issues, I suggest you use this oil on your scalp, apply it and massage it, and it will run. If you have dandruff that have refused to go, please make this oil and use it. If your follicles are dormant, they are semi-damaged, this oil can revive it and your hair will start growing again. Please, you can only use these products from children from 2 years and above. Do not use this on children less than 2 years of age. So you have to use your massager or the pop of your fingers to massage. Be consistent. Don't forget to share your feedback with us. Thank you so much for watching and see you soon.